We sop up the rest of the flour. And once we incorporate all this flour in, trust me, this part is the hard part, but you just press on and press. Just go down the night. Just fight it like you have like you want it is at war. And then you can just handle it. You know what I mean? Just go down the night like so. Yes. 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 You don't handle me, I handle you. That's right. And us women, this is the only time you're supposed to get angry. All them angry type of behavior out on the street, that's not ladylike. Take it out into the kitchen. You know? Chop up some chicken and some beef. Take it out into the kitchen. Yeah, see that? The pan is nice and clean. Yes. I'm gonna incorporate all of the flour inside it. Yes, see that? Everything will go in there, see that? All the side are going. And trust me. Yes. Continue to beat it in. When I get the flour all nice up in there now, see that? Nice. Yes. Well, normally I do this for about 7 minutes. But I wasn't calculating. I can tell by my bread how it looks. Okay. Now, some people get fancy and take this bowl, put it in another bowl with some oil